Hello everyone. Hope you people have revised the values of some specific angles of T ratios which we have discussed in the previous video. Today I am going to start exercise 8.2. Exercise 8.2 is completely based on the values. So before starting the exercise, let me draw the table and it is requested just repeat the table after me to check whether you have learned or not. Okay, so this is theta. What are the angles? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. We know the values of these angles directly. Rest, there are different methods to find out the values of other angles which you people will learn in your higher classes. So first is sin theta. If you remember the values, you can complete the table yourself. Otherwise, just see here what are the values. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. For cos theta, you have to change the direction. 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. For tan theta, you have to divide sine by cos because tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, I told you earlier. So 0 by 1 is 0. If you divide these two, you are getting 1 by root 3, 1. If you are going to divide, you get root 3 and 1 by 0 is not defined. Rest 3 are the reciprocals. So side by side we can do. Let me write down the reciprocal here or leave it. When it comes in the question, we will discuss. So cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, and cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Let us start the exercise. Question number 1. In question number 1, it is said that evaluate the following. The first part is sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree. So this is very easy question. Just you have to put on the value and solve it. Sin 30. What is sin 60? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Check from the table. So put here root 3 by 2 into cos 30. Again root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60 is again 1 by 2. So it comes out to be 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is 4 by 4 equal to 1. So just you have to put down the value and solve. Move to second part. Second part is 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. I told you about the square. That square is, you have to do the square of the value. Correct? If tan 45 is 1, then square of 1 is again 1. In this way we have to proceed. So let us put down the value. This is 2 tan 45. Tan 45, check here, 1. And since it is a square, so 1 is square. Plus cos square 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 square minus sin 60. Again root 3 by 2 and square. So see, this is plus root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square. You can cancel directly. And this is 2 into 1, which is equal to 2. Okay. So proceed to third question. Third is cos 45 degree upon sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. Okay. Now we have to use the reciprocals here. See, sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta and cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So just remember the values. See from the table and then solve it. Let us put the value. Cos 45. What is cos 45? Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 whole upon, what is sec 30? Sec 30 means the opposite of cos 30, that is 2 by root 3, plus cosec 30. Cosec 30 is the opposite of sin 30, that is 2. I hope it is clear. Just check once again. Sec 30 reciprocal of cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, so the reciprocal becomes 2 by root 3. Cosec 30 is the reciprocal of sin 30. Value is 1 by 2, so reciprocal becomes 2. Now I have to solve this thing. So what you get? You can write this as 1 by root 2 divided by 2 by root 3 plus 2 for calculation purpose. This is 1 by root 2 divided by 2 plus 2 root 3 upon root 3. So 1 by root 2 into root 3 upon 2 plus 2 root 3. This is root 3 upon, multiply these two, you will get 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. If you are going to multiply root 2 by both the terms. Okay. So now rationalize this term. If you are going to rationalize this, you will get the answer. Look here, how to rationalize? 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 upon 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. You have to be very much particular about the calculation part. First, second are very easy. Here you have to see the calculation. Now look here, multiply these two terms by root 3. What you get? You will get 2 root 6, 2 root 2 into root 3, 2 root 6 minus 2 root 18 whole upon, this is a plus b, a minus b, it becomes a square minus b square. So 2 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 6 whole square. Now take out 2 common from the numerator. It comes out to be root 6 minus root 18 upon, what is the square of 2 root 2? The square of 2 root 2 becomes 8. See, 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Minus 2 root 6 whole square. 2 root 6 into 2 root 6. 2 2s are 4, root 6 into root 6, 6. 4 6 are 24. So this implies 2 bracket root 6 minus root 18 could be written as 3 root 2 whole upon 8 minus 24 becomes minus 16. Cancel these two, comes out to be 8, and you know that denominator is never negative, so shift the negative, it becomes 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon 8. Correct? Move to fourth part now. Fourth part is sin 30 plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree whole upon sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. No square is there, just put the values directly. See, sin 30 is root 3 by 2. Sorry, what is the value of sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 1 minus cosec 60. Cosec 60 means reciprocal of sin 60, that is 2 by root 3 whole upon sec 30. Sec 30 reciprocal of cos 30, 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 1 by 2 plus cot 45. Cot is the reciprocal of tan, so cot 45 is the reciprocal of tan 45. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Now put down the values. Now you have to solve this. So this becomes, take down the LCM of the numerator, it is 2 root 3. It comes out to be root 3 plus, it is 1 by 1, so 2 root 3 minus 4 divided by, take now the LCM of the denominator, 2 root 3, here it comes out to be 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. So root 3 plus root 3 is 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 2 root 3 into 2 root 3 upon 4 plus 3 root 3. Correct? You can cancel these two, and this could be written as 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 3 root 3 plus 4. Just rationalize these two to get your answer. This is 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 3 root 3 minus 4. If you solve this, it is a minus b whole square. So this is 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square upon a square minus b square. 3 root 3 square minus 4 square. So when you solve, you will get the answer. In the numerator, you have to do a minus b whole square, which is 3 root 3 square a square plus b square minus 2 into 3 root 3 into 4 whole upon square of 3 root 3. 9 3s are 27 minus square of 4 is 16. So this is 27 plus 16 minus 8 3s are 24 root 3 whole upon 11. 27 minus 16 is 11. So the answer is 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 11. I hope it is clear now. Fifth part, try yourself. Okay, come to question number 2. Question number 2 is, choose the correct option and justify your answer. Again the same question. Some options are given. You have to choose from the option. First is 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. And the options given are sin 60, cos 60, tan 60, sin 30. Now I have to choose that which one is correct out of these options. So first of all, let us solve this. Put down the value 2 into, what is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3 upon 1 plus square of tan 30, 1 by root 3 whole square. So this is 2 by root 3 upon 1 plus 1 by 3. This is 2 by root 3 divided by, take down the LCM of this, 4 by 3. 3 by 4 cancel. It is 3 by 2 root 3. Rationalize. This comes out to be 3 root 3 by 2 3s are 6. Cancel 2. So answer is root 3 by 2. Now the options are given as sin 60, cos 60, tan 60, sin 30. You have to check that root 3 by 2 is the value of which ratio. See, it is a value of sin 60. So first option is right, which is equal to sin 60. Because cos 60 is 1 by 2, tan 60 is root 3 by 2 and sin 30 is 1. Other options are wrong. Do the second part yourself. Move to the third part. Third part is sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. You have to find out value of a. What is given to you? Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. Find out the value of a. Okay. So look here. Options are, we have to go this question through the option. Options are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. So let us put 0 in LHS. So LHS is sin 2a. This means sin 2 into 0, which is sin 0. And what is the value of sin 0 degree? It's 0. Move to RHS. 2 sin a. In place of a, I am putting 0. I have taken the first option. So 2 sin 0 degree. Sin 0 is 0. So 2 into 0 becomes 0. Yes, first option is correct. No need to check the rest parts. If you are going to check the rest part, it will become false. Come to fourth part. Fourth part is 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 minus tan square 30 degree. Okay, the options are cos 60 degree, sin 60 degree, tan 60 degree and sin 30 degree. These are the options given to you. So put on the value 2 into 1 by root 3 upon 1 minus 1 upon root 3 whole square. This is 2 by root 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. If you are going to find out the LCM of this and reciprocate. So this comes out to be 3 by root 3. Rationalize. This is 3 root 3 by 3. Cancel this. It comes out to be root 3 and the answer is tan 60. The value of tan 60 is root 3. You can check from the table. Move to third question. Third one is, if tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, where 0 degree is less than a plus b less than equal to 90 degree. Means a plus b lies between 0 and 90 degree. And a is greater than b. This is also given to you. You have to find out the value of a and b. Okay, now look here. Tan a plus b is 60 degree. Tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and root 3 is tan 60 degree. So I can write this as tan a plus b is equal to tan 60 degree. Okay, if you compare these two angles, this implies a plus b is equal to 60 degree. Make this as equation number 1. Now again, what is the second thing given to you? It is given that tan a minus b is equal to 1 upon root 3. And 1 by root 3 is what? 1 by root 3 is tan 30. So tan a minus b is equal to tan 30 degree. Compare the angles. This implies a minus b is equal to 30 degree. This is equation 2. Now if you eliminate equation 1 and 2, you will get the values of a and b. So from equation 1 and 2, a plus b is equal to 60 degree, a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Eliminate these two, cancel. 2a equal to 90 degree, a is equal to 45 degree. Put in equation 1, which implies a plus b is equal to 60 degree. So 45 degree plus b is equal to 60 degree. This implies b is equal to 15 degree. Hence you will get the values of a and b. Now move to the last question of the exercise. Question number 4. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. First one, sin a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b. This statement is completely false. You can put down the values and you can verify this. The formula for sin a plus b is different. It is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, which are going to learn in higher classes. So, but at present you have to justify your answer. So you can take a and b as any of the angle. You can take a 0 degree and b 30 degree. Put down the values. It is proved that this statement is false. Second one, the value of sin theta increases as the theta increases. Sin theta increases as theta increases. Yes, true. See, here theta is increasing, the value of sin theta is also increasing. So this value is true. This statement is completely true. The value of cos theta increases as theta increases. The third part. Cos theta increases as theta increases. This statement is false. You can see the value of theta increases here 0 to 90, but the cos theta decreases from 1 to 0. So this statement is false. Fourth, sin theta is equal to cos theta for all theta. No, for sin, if theta is 30, the value, if theta is 40, 45, values are same. But for 60 it is different, for 90 it is different, for 0 also it is different. So for all theta they are not same, they are same only for 45 degree. In 45 degree the value of sin theta and cos theta are equal. The last part, cot A is not defined for A equal to 0. Check from the table. Cot A you have to find out. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. Okay. So tan 0 is 0. Reciprocal of 0 is 1 by 0, which is not defined. Yes, the statement is true. So this is your exercise 8.2. Hope you have understood the exercise. Practice is required. You have to memorize the ratios, you have to memorize the values. So practice well. And if any doubt, just your queries are welcome. Thank you. Take care.